Welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to do network printing if your devices are not support in Bluetooth. See, I closed my Bluetooth already, then I use network printing to print the label. First you must connect the printer to network using the LAN cable. Go Google search AirGox printer tool, download the printer tool. Scroll down. This print tool to connect your printer, configure the printer IP. So, now to check the printer IP Fritz. Step 1, you switch off the printer at the back. Step 2, hold the feed button and switch on the printer. Too long, press the feed button until the LED stop flashing. Then press again the feed button. The print test will coming out. In the print test will show the printer's IP address. If you don't want to use this IP address, you can use the printer tool to change the IP address. When plus RCMD, then enter. First, we need to find an empty IP address. Take an example, I ping 192.168.2.144. Now is the printer address that show likes this. And 192.168.2.151 is empty, it show likes this. First time, then second for this unreachable means this IP address is empty. So now the 151 is empty, we set the printer IP to 192.168.2.151. Click the IP address, write the IP address you want. And you must make sure the IP address is empty. Then send the new setting to the printer. So, now your printer's IP address has been changed. So, now you switch off the button again, hold the press button, and switch on the printer. Then wait for the light to stop flashing, press the feed button again, and check your IP address. Now you understand how to change your printer's IP address and check it. So we go to Bullet Manage, click the Add button. Drag the text box, name it as Printing Data. Drag a button and name it as Print. After you done, press the Save button. Select the icon you want. And name this bullet a name. I name it as Radio Printing. Then save. Now you click the Set function. Click the Printing Data, I set automatically convert text to capital letter. Then save. Then you click the Print button, select it as Wi-Fi printing. Enter your printer IP address, for mine is 192.168.2.151. Then enter the ZPL printer command for printing. Now your printer and AGen is ready to print. You can print in your phone, TV box, car, Android player, and any of Android system.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.